All right, our first objective for today is I will prepare my notebook for very neat math notes. In my expectations, I talk a lot about how we need to have neat notes for math. I am constantly asking you to go back and look at your notes, and I think that this will make your life a lot easier this year if you know where everything is that we are learning. All right. So we're going to prepare our notebooks, which you all should have if you have been at school. Yes. So step one, you're going to open your notebook to the first page. So you're going to open the cover of it, and then there is the first page. At the very top, just where I have typed table of contents, you're going to write table of contents. And that will just tell us where everything is that we're learning for the year. And then we will also put page numbers in so that you will know exactly where to go when you are looking for something specific. On second line, write 1 review, just like I did. Okay, write the number 1 and then write the word review. And if at any point I'm going too quickly, pause the video so that you can get this done. Then, over on the right side, I want you to write 1/ and then just leave it blank, because we're going to start the review on page 1, and then when we are done with the review, however many pages that takes, we will put the next number. So then you will know that your review was between pages 1 and 6 or 1 and 5 or whatever. And then if I ask you to go look at the review, you'll know exactly where to go. Okay. Step 2, from your table of contents page, I want you to flip to the next page, and then I want you to flip again. So you should be on the 3rd page in your notebook. I want to leave 2 pages for the table of contents, just in case there's a lot to write in there. You might not use both pages, but that is okay. Okay, so you should be on the 3rd page of your notebook, please. Step 3, and this is where you're probably going to have to pause because this will take a little bit. You're going to start numbering your pages, okay? And you're going to put the number in the upper outer corner. So, as you see, I have shown you, when you have, like the page you're starting on 1, you're going to put it on the upper right. Then when you flip it over on the back of that page, you're going to write 2 in the upper left. And then you're going to keep doing that. 3 in the upper right, 4 in the upper left. Okay? And you're going to do that all the way until the very end of your notebook. So pause the video, go all the way to the end of your notebook, writing 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and so on. Okay, so you should have written all of your numbers. Okay, that should be, your notebook should be completely numbered. On the last page, the very last page at the top, so it would be like you should have your paper on the left side and then your cardboard of the outer cover on the right side. I want you to write vocabulary. Okay, so just at the very last page. So like you could close your notebook, turn it up, like turn it over, and then open it from the back, and then I want you to write vocabulary there. Okay, so now your notebook should be fully ready. We are going to, when I teach you, at least for right now, we're going to start, I will always tell you what page you should be on based on the pages that we have done before. Do not write too big so that you can stay on the same page. Write things very neatly. I'm going to go over all of that in the next video that you need to watch. If you have questions, email me, ask me in class, whatever.